Hello everyone. So welcome to chemotropy learning. Today we are going to start with our new topic, that is Stokes condensation reaction, a very important naming reaction. In this reaction, aldehyde or ketone react with dialkyl succinate in the presence of strong base to form monoester of an alpha alkylidene or arylidene succinic acid as a product. Okay. So in this reaction there is an involvement of enolate and the enolate ion gets generated from the dialkyl succinate, which act as a nucleophile and attack at the electrophilic site of the aldehyde or ketone in the reaction mechanism. So here we can use base such as sodium hydride, sodium ethoxide and sodium tert butoxide. Now I have given an example over here. The aldehyde and ketone is treated with the diethyl succinate in the presence of sodium hydride as a base to give the final product, that is monoester of dialkylidene succinic acid plus ethanol. So let's move towards the mechanism. The first step of the mechanism is the formation of the enolate of succinic acid ester in the presence of base. So here it is a dialkyl succinate. It is treated with base. The base will abstract the acidic proton to give the enolate ion of succinic acid ester. Okay. Now in second step, this enolate generated will give a nucleophilic addition reaction. So here you can see this is aldehyde or ketone. This is the electrophilic site. The enolate will act as a nucleophile and will attack at this electrophilic center to give the adduct, that is alkoxide ion. Now in third step of mechanism, this adduct will undergo cyclization, or you can say will undergo intramolecular nucleophilic addition to give a product gamma lactone. Okay, so here you can see this alkoxide ion is behaving as a nucleophile and attacking at the electrophilic site of the same molecule. So there is a bond formation between the oxygen and carbon of the same molecule and giving a cyclic intermediate. Okay, now this electron will move towards this carbon to form the double bond, and there is a removal of the ethoxide ion. Okay, and as a result we get the gamma lactone. So now in fourth step of this mechanism, there is a ring opening of the conjugate base of the lactone ester to give the anion of an unsaturated ester acid. So here you can see that the gamma lactone which get formed in third step, there will be a abstraction of acidic proton by this base to give the anion of the unsaturated ester acid. Then this will leads to the ring opening, and in hydrolysis we get the final product, that is the monoester of dialkylidene succinic acid. So this was all about the Stokes reaction. Thank you.